For many months, I was learning English. But not really improving. I downloaded apps, watched random videos, and read articles. But nothing stayed in my mind. I kept forgetting what I learned. One night, I felt frustrated. I asked myself, why am I not getting better? That's when I noticed something important. I wasn't reviewing anything. I was only consuming. I needed a way to connect with what I learned. So I made a simple change. Every day, after learning something, I would take 10 minutes to talk to myself in English. I called it talk time. At first, it was awkward. I felt silly talking to myself. But I didn't stop. The first time, I said, today, I learned the word improve. It means to make something better. I want to improve my English. It was short, but it was a start. This small habit became a game changer. It helped me remember words. It helped me practice speaking. It made English feel real. I made talk time part of my daily life. After learning anything in English, one new word, a short video, or a phrase, I talked about it aloud. Sometimes, I described my day. Today I went to work. I felt tired. But I learned something new. Other times, I repeated the vocabulary I had learned and used it in different sentences. This practice helped me with pronunciation, memory, and confidence. Soon, I began using my phone to record myself. Listening back helped me catch small mistakes and improve faster. Talk time was only 10 minutes a day. But it changed the way I learned English. I also started writing down a few notes after speaking. This helped me organize my thoughts and track progress. It didn't feel like studying. It felt like having a conversation. One day, I realized something amazing. I was speaking English without fear. A friend called to ask a question about an English word, and I answered easily. Later, I thought, while I didn't panic. That's when I knew the habit was working. I started using English in real situations. At the store, I tried speaking to tourists. Online, I joined English groups and practiced sharing ideas. I didn't always speak perfectly, but I could communicate. The best part, I enjoyed it. Before, English felt like a mountain. Now, it felt like a path I could walk. Step by step. Some days, I was busy or tired. So I made talk time flexible. If I was walking, I talked quietly to myself. If I was cooking, I described what I was doing. I am chopping onions. I need salt. This smells good. Even 2 minutes of talking made a difference. I also made it fun. Sometimes, I pretended I was giving a speech or telling a story. Other times, I asked myself questions and answered them. This kept my practice interesting. I realized the key isn't talking perfectly. It's talking regularly. If you want to improve your English fast, try this one habit. Talk to yourself in English every day. You don't need anyone else. You don't need expensive tools. Just 5. 10 minutes of speaking can change everything. Start simple. Talk about your day. Repeat a new word. Ask and answer your own questions. Over time, you'll become more confident. You'll think faster. You'll speak more clearly. This habit helped me grow. And I believe it can help you too. So don't wait. Start your talk time today. It might be the best thing you do for your English. Vocabulary highlights. Consume. To use something. Like information. Frustrated. Feeling upset or annoyed. Connect. To link or relate things together. Awkward. Uncomfortable or strange. Pronunciation. The way you say words. Record. To capture sound or video. Track progress. Follow and see how much you've improved. Panic. Feel very scared or stressed suddenly. Communicate. Share ideas and understand others. Flexible. Able to change or adapt easily.